Come with me to the Columbia Beach Resort in Pissouri. This is one of my favourite hotels to stay at, and I'm sure you'll be able to see why. We've booked to stay the night on bed and breakfast basis, and the breakfast here is incredible, as are the other meals. The location wise, it's really central and it's also on the beach front. So this is the reception area. We're just going into the bar here. When you check in, you'll have a welcome drink on arrival and also a farewell drink. It's a gorgeous balcony area here. Quite nice on an evening to have a beer or cocktail and just relax before dinner. So we've checked in and we're now on the buggy on the way to our room. So there is a buggy transportation which will take you around the resort should you wish. On the left hand side you've got a lift there to some other rooms, and coming up on the left hand side by that fence is some tennis courts that you can make use of if you wish to. And further down the hill on the left hand side you've also got the other part of a resort, which is the other hotel, and you can use the facilities there if you wish to do so. So just going into the room, this is a junior suite pool view room, and we're just going into the bathroom now. So the bathroom's quite large, has a separate shower and bath. It's a nice deep bath as well. Also comes with complimentary molten brown toiletries which are replenished daily. You've got a separate toilet there and bidet, and like I said, really spacious. Shower was really good and powerful, and your towels are also replenished daily as well. So as you can see, the room is extremely spacious, which is brilliant. So there was just the two of us this time, but we have also stayed with our son, and we've always had plenty of room. We've got a coffee machine there. The coffee was really good, I must say. And you've also got your mini fridge there. The price list for any items is above, so you know what you're paying for if you want it. Bin as well for any rubbish, and you've also got a sink, and there'll be tea bags and bits there as well. So the bed was really big, really comfortable as well, which was great. And then you've got huge wardrobes each, which have a light inside as well, which is handy on an evening. Safe, and you've got plenty of drawer space there for all of your clothes. So one of the good things about the hotel is storage is not a problem. Sometimes when you go away there's not much storage, but fantastic here. As you would have seen from there, you've also got robes and slippers provided, and as it was my birthday, they did provide me with birthday cake, flowers and some sweets, which was very kind. The sofa there does also turn into a sofa bed, so as I mentioned earlier, my son stayed before and he stayed on the sofa bed. It's very comfortable and it's quite big as well. Beautiful balcony here with an absolute stunning view. You see the whole of the pool and also the sea in the distance as well, and you'll notice the pool's not very busy, which is great. You haven't got people coming down at 7 a.m. putting their towels out to reserve sunbeds. If that ever does happen, the staff are extremely good and they do go round and they do take your towel off, so that's fantastic there. So as you can see, it is a beautiful room. The box you can see just there, the bedside table, that controls the lights of a room and also the air conditioning as well. So here we are in the spa. You've got a reception on the right hand side there if you want to book any treatments. You've got a jacuzzi at the end of the pool there as well. Sometimes they have the doors opened, you can swim straight in, which is nice. It's always very quiet and relaxing in here. And then at the end here, you've got an adults only section. In this area of the spa, you'll see you've got some sun lounges there to relax after your treatments. You've got an ice cold plunge pool just there, and also a hot tub. It's generally quiet throughout our stay while we use these facilities. You've got the sauna and steam room there also, and showers either side. Out of the spa, if you come down the corridor, you'll see there's a dance studio. They do have weekly activities on and classes. And then you've got a couple of badminton courts just here as well. And then you've got at the end of this corridor the gym. Now I did use the gym during my stay and it was pretty quiet, although it does get warm in here despite the air conditioning. There is towels and water provided, and there's a good range of free weights and also machines. Back outside early morning, and you can see how beautiful this hotel really is. So you can see the comfortable sunbeds, and you've also got a swim up bar just there, serving you beers, cocktails and soft drinks throughout the day. You can also order from the bar and have lunch around the other side if you wish to. Then over here you've got the baby pool, which is great just for them to paddle in, and you can also easily watch them or go in with them. It's really shallow, so it's really nice, and it's also warmer as well than the normal pool. And then just down these steps on the left you've got the toilets should you need them. And then you've got the Apollo restaurant just here to the right. So you can order lunch or dinner at this restaurant, but if you do want something lighter you can order from the bar menu and have that down by the beach or at the pool bar over by the swim up bar. You've got a church here, a little chapel, which is very picturesque. I'll just take you in. And you are able to get married here. I have seen a couple of weddings here before and they look absolutely stunning. Gorgeous little church, very picturesque as I said. So this then takes you down to the beach area and on the lawns. Just giving you another view of a little chapel. Really stunning. And then down we go, down towards the beach area. Now to the right hand side you've got some showers either side, ladies and gentlemen, and also toilets for the beach if you need to. Plenty of sunbeds down here on the lawns as well. You've also got a beach bar which, as I mentioned earlier, serves lunch and snacks. And you've got plenty of shade if you wish to have some. So this will then take us down to the beachfront. Pissouri has got really lovely clear water. Although the beach itself is pebbly, once you're in the sea it's absolutely stunning. And as you can see, that's the hotel there. So this is the beachfront. You have got water sports down here as well. And you've also got water sports just by the hotel as well. So this is the other part of the hotel. They used to be split into a hotel and resort, but they are just one now. And this is the other pool that you can use. Again, it's got a swim up bar, comfy sunbeds, and this one is a bit more child friendly as well. They are just serving breakfast. So very similar to the resort breakfast. You've got ample to choose from. And also if you wish to have anything in particular you can order it to your table and they'll bring it over as well. You've got some wine there and also some nice comfy sunbeds as well. These are the rooms over in this section. Again, very similar to the other side at the west wing. Just over this bridge there's a map to the right which gives you an idea on where things are. So you've got the kids club there. I have used the kids club previously and I was really happy with it. At the time when we used it, it was part of the Worldwide Kids. So they're a large company that run it. And this is the breakfast that we had. So in the resort at the West Wing entrance. So you've got ample to choose from. So fresh fruits, salads, some wine and some vodka if you want to make any mimosas. Got lots of pastries to choose from. Got some halloumi there, some sausages, your bacon. So you've got ample, but also you can do made to order. So I went for the eggs Benedict and then the pancakes, and both were absolutely delicious. So that was the eggs Benedict there, and then the pancakes with Nutella. But there's a few things that you can order. And just going to do one last view for you before I let you go of the hotel and the pool. And you can just see how quiet it is. It's just so relaxing, absolutely stunning here. We absolutely love it. And just a closer view for you here. So I really do hope that you've enjoyed watching the vlog. Hope it's encouraged you to book the hotel. I really love staying here, and if you'd like to see any more videos, please like and subscribe. Many thanks.